Hey everyone, Valor here. Today I'll show you how to change fonts in Roblox games. First, go to Google and download any font you like. Let's say I want Devont. Yeah, let's pick Pro Racing for example. Click Download. The specific font doesn't matter much, right? Unzip it into any folder. You'll see different font types. You might even have just one file. Okay? Now open the Roblox file location. Right-click Roblox player, select Open File Location. Find the Content and Fonts folders. Create a folder to back up old fonts if you want. Now copy 5 files there. We've got Areno Bold, Aremo Regular, Source, Sans Pro Bold, Light, and Regular. Remove these 5 files and replace them with 5 copies of our new font. Just create 5 copies of the new font file. Got it? Rename these copies to match the original file names. That's how it's done. It's really that simple. Just don't mix them up. Move them back to the Roblox folder. And that's it. You've changed the font in Roblox. This was Valor. See you later.